3, 2, 1.
Hello friends, how you all doing? In today's video we're gonna be doing very unusual taste test. We just came back from Canada and bought this. So today we'll attempt to eat this. What it is looks like it's dry crickets with salt and vinegar. That one. And this one is cheddar cheese larva. And this one is supposed to be dessert. It's a chocolate covered crickets. Looks like to me at least. So what do you guys think about it? Are you ready to try?
Sure.
What about you? Alright, you guys open this. I'm gonna open that one. Oh, it's in the bag. Look at this. These are crickets and probably some larva, I guess, covered with chocolate.
Here you go.
You have, oh, in the back too. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
All this, what is it? Cheddar cheese.
You could.
Ooh, look at those. These are, you guys check this out. These are like those crickets. It has head there.
Oh,
Dude.
It's like a tradition or something.
I think I'll still eat it.
Can I do half of it or maybe like just a leg? Oh, leg. There's a leg there. This is mine.
No, you are all doing the whole thing.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, we're ready. Oh, it smells actually good. It smells salt and vinegar. Okay, you get one. The big one.
Come
Nah,
on.
I get this one. It smells like salt and vinegar.
Yeah.
I think it's
Okay, you guys ready?
Are you ready?
2, 1.
I'm
See,
just
if-
not thinking that I eat an insect. I'm actually eating
See,
something
if
else.
I never knew this was an insect, I'd probably be mistaken this as a chip. But now I know that I'm eating a cricket, and it's just very weird.
You ready for this one?
Yeah.
Get the juicy one. Okay, now it's yours. Okay, and I'm getting one too.
Actually smells very good.
Let me see this thing. Guys, let's check this out. It's a worm. Actually, this one is a little bit better than this one,
Tastes like nothing.
but that's good.
Yeah.
And now let's do dessert. You guys ready for dessert? 3 crickets and 3 of this larvas. What do you want?
Larva.
It's the first one.
Yeah,
I'll
it's gonna
take a
be
cricket.
Cricket, okay. You want larva?
Yeah.
You get larva then.
It smells like chocolate.
You get larva. Not bad, actually.
All I taste is chocolate, so that's
Yeah.
probably the best.
Yeah, I would say the same.
It's kind of crunchy, but it's good.
But a lot of chocolate taste. I like that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let us know in the comments down below if you would try this or not. And we'll see you next time.